Welcome back to the Business Promote, where we bring you the latest and greatest in fashion and footwear. Today, we've got something special in store for all you sneakerheads out there. And guess what? They sent us a special treat to unbox today. Feast your eyes on these beauties, the Nike Air Jordan 11 Retro DMP Gratitude. That's right, folks. We're diving deep into the world of kicks, with a spotlight on basskick.ru. They've got everything from classic Air Jordans to the hottest releases from Travis Scott and beyond. Whether you're into Nike, Adidas, Yeezy, or Off-White, basskick.ru has you covered. From high tops to low tops, from basketball shoes to casual kicks, they've got something for everyone. And the best part? You can get your hands on a pair right now, thanks to basskick.ru. Just check out the link in the description below to grab your own pair. But wait, there's more. Use the coupon code TBP at checkout for an extra $20 off your purchase. That's right, $20 off just for being a part of the Business Promote family. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to basskick.ru and step up your sneaker game today. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive deals and unboxings. Until next time, stay stylish.